sum, max, min. These are all basic formulas inside Excel. Do you want to know 5 functions that will make you a Excel professional? So stay with me until the end of this video. So let's start with the exact function. What this function do? Exact compares two different texts to see if they are equal. In this case, exact is case sensitive. So if you have uppercase in one word and lowercase in the other, it won't return true. Different from using the equal sign that is not case sensitive. Let's give it a shot here. So let's start with equal. So this name1 equal name2, all will return true because it's not case sensitive. So exact, exact, text1, and text2. As you can see here, the first letter, one is upper and the other is lowercase, so it's false. Same thing here. Same, and here, one is written with uppercase and lowercase, and this second name, Sabrina, is all uppercase, so returns false. Okay. The next function is called abs, from absolute. It basically transforms every number in an absolute number. So it removes the sign, the subtract sign or the plus sign. Okay. And here it is. Let's try it. Go abs. If you see here, this was minus 500. Now it's 500. Minus 2, 2. Minus 1, 1. And so on. So basically transform everything in a positive value. Okay. The delta compares if two numbers are equal. So let's give it a shot. Delta 1, number 1, and number 2. Different from the others, this one will return true or false. It will return 1 or 0. That is the Boolean version of true and false. Okay. Here it is. 100 is equal 100, so is 1. 200 is different from 2, so is 0. 300 is different from 30, 0. And here 1 and 1. Okay, pretty simple and pretty useful if you need to compare a lot of rows with different numbers to see if there's something that is not matching. Okay. The fourth function is time. I bet you already received some Excel sheet that has hour, minute, and second separate, and you needed to join using equal, cell 1, comma, to this one, and this one, and so on, using two dots here, and then the other, and so on, so on. This is not practical. So we have now time function that can do that for us. So equal time, hour, minute, and second. Hour, minute, second. Here it is. Here is the standard AM, PM time, or we can change it here to just show time in 24-hour format. Okay, so 10 hours, 5 minutes, and 59 seconds, and so on. And the last but not least is the transpose. What transpose do? Do the exactly same thing that when the transpose of copy paste. So if I copy here, go here and go in paste and go to transpose, it will do that. It will change the columns by the rows. Okay? The function do the exactly same thing. Transpose. Okay? And since it's an array, we need to select the whole table. Okay, the whole array. So here it is. The advantage of doing that is this is just copy paste. It's not linked to this table. So if you just do that in another sheet for a different visualization, if you change the original, let's say here Pedro has 30 now instead of 25, this new table will be automatically changed. This one won't. So you need to copy and paste it again. Okay, that's all for today. So what do you guys think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I see you guys on our next video.